Hey everyone, thanks for joining today. Before we begin, make sure to follow the page and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a deep, honest review like this one. Today we're talking about Growify, an AI-powered marketing analytics and attribution platform that's generating real buzz on AppSumo and beyond. Growify promises to help businesses scale their ads without scaling wasted ad spend. But what's the real story behind this tool? If you want a complete tutorial after this review, drop a comment below and I'll make it happen. Imagine spending less time guessing which ads work and more time growing your business. That's the big claim behind Growify. Let's dive into what this tool really offers, how it works, and whether it's worth your investment. First off, Growify is designed for e-commerce brands, marketers, and agencies that want smarter control over their paid media performance. It combines AI-powered attribution, creative analytics, customer journey tracking, and budget optimization into one unified dashboard. Instead of flipping between Google Ads, Meta Ads, and Shopify reports, Growify brings that data into one place so you can see what's really driving results. The platform calls itself an all-in-one solution for scaling ads, not ad spend, and that's a powerful statement. Growify has hundreds of reviews on AppSumo, showing strong user interest and a community around the product. Reviewers often highlight its intuitive interface and AI recommendations as standout features. One core component is attribution tracking, which tells you which campaigns, creatives, or channels are actually driving conversions. Instead of just seeing impressions and clicks, Growify shows you conversion paths from first touch to purchase across channels. Another major feature is creative analytics, which helps you understand what parts of your ads like images, videos, and copy resonate most. This lets you double down on winning creatives and reduce spend on low performers without guesswork. Growify also offers customer journey mapping, which visualizes how users move from initial ad interaction to final purchase. That's a big deal for businesses juggling multiple platforms and campaigns. What's more, Growify integrates with popular platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, Shopify, Klaviyo, and more. This wide integration means you can track performance across all key ad channels in one place. With real-time reporting and automatic AI insights, Growify can flag important trends and recommendations fast. For example, the AI engine can show which campaign segments are worth scaling or pausing. Users often find this level of insight saves hours of manual analysis each week. At the same time, not all reviews are glowing. Some users report occasional issues with support responsiveness or platform setup. This is worth considering if you're new to marketing analytics or need dedicated help. Pricing for Growify varies depending on the tier you choose, especially on the AppSumo lifetime deal options. AppSumo deals often include lifetime access at one price, with multiple license levels based on visitor limits and feature sets. This model is appealing to many entrepreneurs because you avoid recurring monthly fees. Growify's core value is data-driven decision-making, not just tracking clicks, but understanding what contributes to revenue. That's where many businesses see the biggest improvement in ROI. Instead of siloed dashboards and spreadsheets, Growify brings actionable insights front and center. Whether you're a small e-commerce business or a growing agency, that can be a game changer. One standout benefit is how Growify helps you optimize ad spend efficiency, not just increase your spend. This means you can get more results without pumping more money into campaigns blindly. Another advantage is the ability to compare results across channels side by side. This gives clarity on cross-platform performance that simpler analytics tools don't provide. Growify's AI also helps forecast trends, helping you anticipate performance rather than react afterwards. Its automated recommendations shorten the time between data and decision. All of this adds up to a platform focused on efficiency and growth intelligence. That said, some small businesses might find the price a bit high compared to simpler tracking tools. But for serious marketers, the depth of analytics can justify the cost. The setup process usually involves connecting your ad accounts and installing Growify's tracking pixel. You can also integrate with CMS platforms like WordPress or Shopify for deeper tracking. Once setup is complete, Growify's dashboard starts pulling real-time performance data. This makes reporting much easier than manually exporting metrics from multiple platforms. Let's talk about some real user feedback next. Many reviewers appreciate how Growify simplifies complex marketing decisions. Users highlight clearer visibility into ad performance and stronger attribution models. Others note occasional support delays or the learning curve when first starting out. This is common for comprehensive analytics tools, but something to keep in mind. Overall sentiment across platforms leans positive, with many users seeing real improvements in ROI. Growify's average ratings hover above 4 out of 5 on review sites. That suggests its core features are resonating with marketers. It's also worth noting the lifetime deal on AppSumo can represent significant savings compared to subscription SaaS pricing. If you're confident in your marketing strategy and want a long-term tool, that's a compelling option. Growify's roadmap hints at further upgrades, including expanded AI insights and integrations. This shows the team is actively developing the product. Adding new features over time increases its long-term value for users. So who should consider Growify? If you run paid campaigns on multiple platforms and want better insights, it's worth exploring. If you're an agency managing several clients, Growify's unified analytics can save huge time. E-commerce brands aiming to squeeze more ROI from every dollar will benefit too. However, micro businesses with extremely tight budgets might start with simpler tools first. Growify isn't just another dashboard, it's a strategic tool for growth marketing. By automating heavy data processing, it lets you focus on decisions, not spreadsheets. That's a powerful advantage in today's competitive digital landscape. Before we wrap up, remember to follow the page and subscribe to the channel if you found this review helpful. Also, comment below if you want a complete tutorial breaking down Growify step by step. In summary, Growify offers robust attribution, creative analysis, customer journey mapping, and AI-driven insights that help you scale your ads more intelligently. Its strengths lie in unified data, actionable recommendations, and streamlined reporting. Some potential downsides include a learning curve for beginners and perceived pricing value for smaller businesses. But for many marketers, the investment pays off through better performance insights and reduced wasted spend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with that tutorial you requested.